Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. In this video, I will show you how to bulk comment on hundreds of Facebook personal profiles of potential customers. This is the software interface. The software allows you to manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. The more accounts you have, the better. Next, choose the commenting function. Here, you can configure the settings for the software. After that, we'll choose the content you want to use for bulk commenting. You can prepare these messages in advance, and when you're ready to comment, simply select the one you want. Next, select the option to comment on user profiles. Here, you will enter the list of Facebook profile IDs where you want to automatically post comments. In a previous video, I already showed how to scrape the list of Facebook profile IDs, so feel free to scroll back and watch that tutorial. You can customize the settings according to your preferences. Next, choose the Facebook accounts you want to use. Then, simply hit the Start button. The software will automatically open each Facebook account and start visiting each personal profile to post comments on their timelines using the content you selected.